What is up, you guys? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to start and open your LLC and be official. So this video is going to be really fast and easy and straight to the point. I see a lot of videos on YouTube where it's a lot of like fluff and they really don't like tell you like just straight to the point. So I'm going to make this real fast and easy, 5, maybe 7-minute video, really quick. And by that time, you should have your LLC set up. So 2 things before we start. So you're going to get your LLC and then something that's called an EIN number. The EIN number is like the social security of the business. You get this from the IRS, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. It's really fast and easy. And those are the 2 things you need. So why you need an EIN number is because this is like the social security of the business. When you're opening up a business bank account or like a business credit card, they're going to ask you, what is your EIN number? And then you provide them the EIN number, and anything like legal or like you're opening something or anything like that, the EIN number is always asked. So that's like I like to put it real basic. It's like the social security of the business. So 2 things we need to be official and have our business officially running: LLC and EIN number. Also, to follow along with this whole video, I'm going to have the link in the description down below, as well as in the pinned comments. You can literally click that link, follow along with the whole video, and that way you can get your LLC in 5 to 7 minutes. Do not procrastinate. Let's get this thing done and let's get started. So like that, let's just do it. So right here, I have in front of me Tailor Brands. Is how I open up all of my LLCs and websites. Highly recommend it. I personally sell full-time on Amazon. That's what I do full-time. And I always use this. It's really, really fast. So you want to choose the state that you currently live in for your LLC. It makes it a lot simpler and easier. For me, I live in Florida. So I'm going to click Florida here. Where is Florida? Actually, let me just put here, FL right here. All right. Now we're going to click Get Started. Now we're just going to add a couple of things. So you want to have a business name already in mind. For, let's say, for me, I'm opening another business. Let's say Midtown Power Seller. And that's my business name that I want to come up with. You want to check if it's available. And yes, it's showing that it is available. So you want to try and see which business names are available in your state. So click Next here after that. And then now this is going to ask you a few questions. Is your business just an idea? Taking the first steps. I'm just taking the first few steps. And, you know, select whatever you want that works for you. This isn't answer. This is just like a survey of Tailor Brands. Launching in a few weeks. Okay. What industry? So me, I'm in e-commerce. So I'm going to put that here. But there's a ton of categories that you can choose from. Like any letter you can see has a ton of categories. You can see there's so many. So for me, it's e-commerce, right? And I sell physical goods. And click Next here. Do you plan on hiring employees? For me, it's just me, but if you're not sure, you can click this. If you are, you can click Yes. Click Next here. Set annual income goals. I'm going to say, I don't know yet, to be honest. I hope it's more than 80, but I don't really know. Okay, now you're going to put in your zip code here and what type of business is your business. So online, storefront, or on the go. Mine is strictly online. And then what we're going to do today is the LLC and also EIN number. Click Next here. And what have you already done for this business? Me, I haven't done any of this, so I'm just going to skip this. And then how did you discover Tailor Brands? You know, if you're watching this video, just click YouTube. Click Next here. And you want to join our 12-week free coaching program. For me, I just want to get the business really fast and easy. But if you're new to opening up a business and wanting to learn more, like basic information of how to have a successful business, it's pretty much free, showing here. But for me, I'm just going to get the LLC and EIN number. So now you want to put in your contact information. So I'm going to put some stuff here. All right. Okay. Okay. After you put in your contact info, you're going to click Next here. And then remember what we said, if you want to get your EIN number with the LLC. So for me, I like to do this, get help getting my EIN number, or you can handle it yourself. For me, I like to get Tailor Brands to do it for me. It's a little bit extra money. I believe it's $99. It's not really showing how much it is here, but personally, I like it. It's like, I want it to be done. I want to just start making money, be official, and just start making money, get my business bank account and my business credit card. So I personally like Tailor Brands to get the EIN number for me. And then this is, do you want Tailor Brands to auto renew your LLC for you every year? So when you have your business official, you have to renew it every year. Tailor Brands could do it for you, or you can do it yourself. You do have a couple of months to renew it every year. And personally, I like to do it myself. If you think you're going to forget, you can have Tailor Brands do it for you. I'm going to handle it myself. And do you want a branding toolkit? For me, I like to do it myself, so I'm going to just do it here. And then this is something that I recommend here. Do you want expedited filing, or do you wait 2 weeks to get your LLC? For me personally, I want to get my LLC fast, quick, easy, and I want to be official. If you have a lot on your plate and you think that 2 weeks, it doesn't matter to you, then yeah, you could go with 2 weeks. But personally, I like to do the expedited filing. I do think they charge like $49 for it. It's not really showing here. I don't know why, but I believe they charge $49 for it. And we're almost done with everything. So do you want an operating agreement? What this is, operating agreement, is pretty much if you have a bunch of business partners, who handles what in the business, right? So if you have a big business and you're opening it up, an operating agreement is kind of good. You can do it yourself. You can even use AI to do it as well, to see like whose responsibilities are for each part of the business, right? So if you're opening something very big, an operating agreement is something you should consider. If it's just you or a very small company you're just starting up with, you don't really have to do an operating agreement. It's completely optional. And for me, I like to figure it out myself. I've never done an operating agreement because usually all the businesses that I make is just for, it's like my business. So, but if let's say you have a huge business, you might want to consider that. You can pay for it, or you can do it yourself using AI. Okay, do you want a formation kit? No, you really don't need this. Click next here. And do you want to get notified by Tailor Brands? For me, I like to get notified of renewals and things like that. It's kind of cool. All right, click next here. We're literally almost done. I told you guys it was really fast and easy. So they're gonna have multiple plans here, right? Let's click options here, because I'm gonna give you guys the best price and deal when it comes to LLCs. So there's the Light, the Essential, and the Elite, right? Well, if you clicked what I showed you in this video, right? If you go with the Light here, you will see that you get the expedited filing for $49. If you don't mind waiting, you can not pay this and you get your LLC in 2 weeks. You have to pay the Florida state filing fee of the LLC. It's $130. Depending on your state, it might be different. I know California is like $75. I know Texas is like $400. Florida is $130. There are cheaper ones. I think Nevada is also cheap as well. Different states have different filing fees. You have to pay the state filing fee no matter what. And then Tailor Brands will help you get the EIN number for you for $99. And yeah, if you want to get expedited filing, you could do that. And you could also get the EIN number for yourself from the irs.gov website. Just keep in mind that the website only works weekdays, Monday through Friday. And the process is pretty easy, but for me, like, I just want to get my business up and running. I tell them to get my EIN number really fast and easy, and that's literally how you get your LLC started and your EIN number. With this, you're going to be able to go to to Chase or Bank of America or anything like that, open up a business bank account, a business credit card, be official, start making money, and yeah, it's really, really simple and easy and straight to the point. Like I said, if you want to follow along with this whole thing, just click that link in the description down below and it will get you all to this. So all you can do is click continue, pay the card, pay the remaining balance to get your LLC done. And that's it. That's how easy it is to be official and get your business up and running. If you have any questions regarding this video, leave a question down below, leave a comment. I'll help you guys out as much as I can. It's really fast and easy and simple. I've done multiple businesses with Tailor Brands. Highly recommend it. And like I said, If you like this video, leave a thumbs up, comment below. It really helps me out. I really appreciate it. And I also have videos on my channel about like how to trademark your brand, and things like that. So if you want to check that out, hit that subscribe button. Also, any videos you want me to make, leave a comment down below. I will make them. My channel is all about business, making money online, investing, things like that. I personally sell full-time on Amazon. I'm here to help you guys out as much as I can. And I like to invest in stocks as well, which I do very, very well. And I teach you guys what stocks to invest in and things like that. So this channel is all about making money. So if you like making money, hit that follow button. I'm really authentic, really simple, no BS, no everything like that. Super transparent with you guys. That's about it. Peace.